To set side and volume up case, a shortcut for amplify ambient sound in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap side and volume up case and then select amplify ambient sound. Now you can easily enable or disable this feature by pressing the side and volume up case at the same time. And then select amplify ambient sound. As a note, when this feature is enabled and you are wearing your headphone or earbuds, your phone will amplify surround you so you can hear distant sound clearly and put the focus on conversation even when you are somewhere noisy. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.